for Chinese New Year. Here are 3 dishes to put on your table so that you can attract money, luck, growth, and happiness. To attract money, luck, you'll want to eat lettuce. To attract happiness, you'll want to have shrimp. And to grow, you'll want to have peanuts. Want to be rich this year? Here's a dish for your Chinese New Year table that will bring you lots of money, luck. It's a simple but traditional dish, and here's how you make it. For this recipe, you'll need lettuce that's been pulled off the head. You'll need some oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of cooking oil. Heat up your wok and add some water. Once your water comes to a boil, add in your lettuce and let it cook for 10 seconds. Once your lettuce is wilted and blanched, you'll want to drain all the water completely. To make this dish, you'll want to turn on your wok, add a little bit of neutral oil, add some ginger and garlic. Turn down your heat, give that a stir. Add your lettuce in, give it a toss. You'll want to finish with some oyster sauce. Give that a toss. And ready to plate. And this is what you eat to grow your wealth during Chinese New Year. Our next lucky food is peanuts. Let's make a peanut lime dressing to put on a salad. To make this peanut lime dressing, you'll need sweet chili sauce, peanut butter, garlic, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, pickled ginger, fresh lime juice, and some peanut oil or a neutral canola oil. To your food processor or blender, add in pickled ginger, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, peanut butter, rice wine vinegar, garlic, and the juice of half a lime. You'll need to drizzle in some oil. Process this until it's completely combined. And there's our delicious, creamy peanut lime dressing. Now let's dress our salad for our Chinese New Year table. We have some spring mixed greens. We're gonna add some shredded carrots, a little bit of crunchy wontons that have been fried. Let's dress with our peanut lime dressing. Give this a toss. Make sure all the leaves and all the ingredients are well coated. You want to be very gentle when you toss the leaves. And then let's plate this. For some added flavor, I'm going to add just a little bit more peanut dressing. And top it with some crushed peanuts. And there's our peanut lime dressed greens ready for your Chinese New Year table. And for your Chinese New Year table, you'll want to have shrimp. Shrimp will bring happiness to your year. I'm going to teach you how to make Kung Pao shrimp. To make Kung Pao shrimp, you'll need diced onions, diced peppers, fresh shrimp peeled and deveined, green onions sliced, Shaoxing cooking wine, This is important to add that little bit of wine roundness to any of your stir-fried dishes. Ginger, garlic, dried Szechuan chilies, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil. It usually is sold in small bottles because you use a very little bit at the end of your stir-fry cooking. White vinegar, chicken stock, a slurry made from cornstarch and water, and you'll need peanuts to garnish. First, heat up your wok. Add in some neutral oil to cook, and add your shrimp. Once your shrimp just starts to turn pink, add in your ginger and your garlic and your whole chili peppers. Give that a stir. Add in your onions and your pepper. Cook until your shrimp are halfway done. Then add in your hoisin sauce, soy sauce, chicken stock, and vinegar. If you'd like for this to be a little more spicy, add just a little bit of chili paste. Once your shrimp are done, add some slurry to thicken up your sauce. Add your green onion. Give that one more toss and garnish with peanuts. And now you're ready to plate. And that's how you make Kung Pao shrimp to bring happiness to your Chinese New Year table. To bring more happiness to your Chinese New Year table with shrimp, check out these two recipes.